Today, we'll learn how to install an alternate wetting and drying or AWD tube in a rice field. In a 1-acre rice field, install one AWD tube. For uneven fields, especially if there are high and low spots, use 2 to 3 AWD tubes per acre for more accurate monitoring. Avoid areas near field edges, irrigation inlets, or drainage outlets.
Choose a spot that reflects the average field condition. Then install the tube.
Push the perforated section of the tube vertically into the soil until only about 10 centimeters remain above the soil surface. Make sure the tube is firmly fixed and standing upright.
After installation, remove any soil that may have entered the tube.
The water level inside the tube should be clearly visible.
During the growing season,
regularly check the water level inside the tube. When the water drops to about 15 centimeters below the soil surface, it is time to irrigate the field again. Contact us today to get your AWD tubes, advisory, MRV, and carbon credit registration.